all of us sometimes consciously or unconsciously predict the possible nature of an event. We use the phrases like extremely likely, most probably, certainly, impossible, surely, etc. While making such observations, we have some primitive intuition which enables us to predict whether an event is more likely or not. It was Pascal and Fermat who discussed these problems in a scientific manner and created a new theory called the theory of probability. After these mathematicians, Laplace and Bernoulli, discussed them in a systematic manner and concluded some important theorems. To discuss the concept of probability, we introduce the following basic things. Random experiment. What is random experiment? Suppose we roll a dice. The outcome cannot be predicted, but we know that it can show up any one of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Such experiments where outcomes are countable and are equally likely, essentially under the same conditions, are called random experiments. Clearly, when the outcomes are equally likely, we can not predict the result on any trial of the experiment. The tossing of coin, taking a ball from an urn, or drawing a card from a pack of playing cards are examples of a random experiment. Third, sample space. The sample space S of a random experiment is the set of all possible outcomes. For example, in tossing a coin, S is equal to the set containing T and H. T stands for tail and H stands for head. In tossing two coins, S, the sample space is equal to TT, TH, HT, HH. The ordered pair here gives us two tails, or tail or head or tail, head and head. Similarly, in rolling a die, the sample space S is equal to the set containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Sample point. The elements of the sample space are the possible outcomes of the experiment, and these elements of S are known as sample points.